On our drive now on this old dirt road to the, what glacier is it, Lauren? Roy Glacier. We haven't come yet to the stream crossing, but we'll see if this little car can make it.
Pulled me into the studio to walk me through this story that they've been working on.
Well, we're about to cross our first ford. You can see the mountain over there. We got 10 Ks left with 9 crossings. This is supposed to be the hardest one. Got someone taking wedding pictures over there. Let's see how deep it looks. This is where we gotta cross over. You can see it running over the rocks, so that's promising. It means it's fairly shallow, and you can see all of the rocks there, so we're gonna chance it. Here's to hoping. Here we go. You ready?
Come on, Yaris. Gotta keep moving. Woo!
We did it. Well, we made it across all of the fords on the way here with our tiny little rental car. And we're now on the Roy track, headed out to see the glacier. Hopefully some of these clouds clear up and we can see a bit more of the mountains and the glacier. And look, there's some cows over there. They're mooing at us. They know we shouldn't be here. Crossing the swing bridge now over this mighty river here. From the looks of it, probably flows down from the glacier up ahead. It'd be pretty crazy to be down in that. Walking up the steep path here in the woods now, going through some alpine country. Lots and lots of big rocks. It's very warm out too. Gotta move quick or this rock might fall on us. Pretty big. Found some stairs in the middle of the woods. Strange. Who would have put these here? So we passed the lower lookout. We're within 30 minutes of the upper lookout. Getting so close now. It's been mostly uphill. We've just come to a clearing in the path. We're not actually at the viewpoint yet, but you can see a waterfall there, and to the right, the glacier. Massive. And that's just part of it. The Roy Glacier. Making our way down now, going past the roaring river of glacial water. Doesn't even look real. Ready? Well, we're nearing the end of the hike now. We're down in the gorge. Just crossed the bridge again. The clouds have cleared some, so the colors around here are a lot more vibrant than when we started. Everything was a lot dimmer and grayer. Now it's very yellow. We have oncoming traffic. There's a cow in the road. This time we're not in the safety of our car, so who knows what will happen. Lauren's slowing down out of caution. The cow seems to be sidestepping and even getting more in our way.
He doesn't like me.
Nope.